Hi guys. Okay, so for writing this week, and into next week, we are going to be making a memory book. Okay. Um, Most of you probably make a memory book every year at the end of the year, but we do it at school and on paper. But since we're not at school and I can't get you this material, we're gonna do it on Google Drive. Okay. And so when you get done with your Google Slides memory book, I will download it and email it to your parents. That way you have it. You'll have it forever. You can print it off if you want, and it shall be just a fun little keepsake for you. Okay, so if you look at the front page, it is done for you. Okay, grade 4 memory book 2019-2020. All you have to do on this page is type your name. Okay, if you click on the box, it says type your name, you should get a little cursor in here. Okay, go to the end, delete it, and then type your first and your last name. Okay, please try not to delete the text box. Okay, I know in the past we've had some problems with that. If you delete the text box, this is how you get it back. Up here, there's a little undo button. Click on it. It will give you your text box back. Okay, so if you ever mess up and you need to undo, up here there's a little back arrow that's pointing to the left. Okay, if you click it, it will undo, it will undo what you just did. So if you accidentally delete your text box, hit the undo button and it will pop back up. Okay, try not to delete your text boxes. Once you have your name in there, you can go on to the next slide. Okay, for today, we are just doing slides 1 through 4. Okay, so our next slide is all about me. Okay, favorite color, subject, team, movie, breakfast. This year I got better at. Okay, my feelings about this school year, 5 words that describe me, some of your hobbies, what do you like to do. You just got to click on the text box in each one. Okay, and type in all your favorite things. Okay, tell me a little bit about you. Remember, if you mess up, undo, and it will give you back what you need. The next one, a day in the life of a student like me. Okay, tell me a little bit about your day. Before school starts, what do you do? At the beginning of the school day, what do you do? During the mornings, what do we do? In the middle of the day, during the afternoons, at the end of the school day, after school is over. What do you do throughout your day? Okay, and then our last one, teacher feature. Okay, my teacher, I'll fill this one out for you, Mrs. Brinka. Okay, what I remember the most, write something in there. What my teacher likes, what she does not like. And then these are other teachers that I had this year. These could be your specialty teachers you could put in here and all that. Okay, and here's what I like about my teacher. Make sure you type in each one of these boxes. Okay, click on the box. You might have to double click to get the text box and then start typing. Remember, if you delete, go back and undo it. Okay, so these are the first 4 slides that we're going to do today, 1 through 4. Don't go on to the next ones because I will explain tomorrow what we're doing with those. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.